All right, we do welcome again those of you tuned in tonight here on audiosportsonline.com. Decatur Central girls varsity basketball is on the air. Rob Kendall is my name. Joined tonight by those of you out in viewership land as the Decatur Central Lady Hawks are visiting the Brownsburg Bulldogs. Want to take a moment to go through our starting lineups for tonight's ball game. The visiting Decatur Central Hawks, it'll be Macy Walker, number 4, joined by Shelby Patterson, number 12, Brittany Daly, number 23, Haley Taylor, 24, and Haley Pace, 33. So Walker, Patterson, Daly, Taylor, and Pace, your starting lineup for tonight's game for the visiting Decatur Central Hawks. For the Brownsburg Bulldogs, it'll be Margaret Oles, number 20, Hannah Mingus, 21, Kaylee Comer, 22, Stephanie Mabunga, 23, and Mackenzie Trout, 42, will be the Bulldogs' starting lineup for tonight's game. And it'll be Mavunga to tip it up against Pace. Decatur Central will be the visitors on the scoreboard. They'll be in the road blues, moving from left to right. And here come the Bulldogs, first to control the basketball here tonight. And that is 21 Mingus dribbling. Flips it over to 22 Comer. Comer back to Mingus. Mingus dribbles to the top of the key, now takes it to the right side. Flips it off over to Oles. Oles down inside, throws it back up top, and we're going to have a lane violation on the Bulldogs. So lane violation on the Bulldogs. And it'll be Decatur Central basketball. First possession of the game for the Hawks. Hawks with the ball. Number 12, Patterson with it. Flips it over to Walker. Walker inside to Daly. Shot up, no good. Rebound Mavunga. And back the other way come the Bulldogs. Taking it all the way is Mavunga. Missed the layup. Shot is up, pulled down, and now back the other way. Here come the Hawks. Decatur Central with the ball. 3-ball up on the way. It's no good. Rebound pulled down out of there by Brownsburg. And no score early on in the contest. Bulldogs looking to move the ball now, and we've got a whistle and a foul on the floor. It's going to be called on the Hawks. So Brownsburg will throw the ball in. And inside to Mavunga, missed the shot, grabs the rebound, goes up with it, shot up again, no good. Loose ball tipped up, it's on the floor, and kicked back out there to Brownsburg. Bulldogs with it around the horn to Comer. Comer, 3-ball up, on the way, it's short, and the ball will be taken by the Hawks out of bounds. Still no score. 6:25 left to play in the first quarter of action. Decatur Central with the ball. Again, no score. Pass down inside to Daly. Ball sails out of bounds. They'll say last touch by the Bulldogs. Or, I'm sorry, last touch by the Hawks. Ball will belong to the Bulldogs. Again, Brownsburg in white, moving from right to left. The Hawks are in blue. And we're going to get a foul in the backcourt on Decatur Central. And I think they're going to get Walker with the bump. Ball out of bounds. It will belong to the Bulldogs. Bulldogs looking to try to get on the board first time in the ball game, and Mavunga up and in. And now the ball will sail out of bounds. Nice effort there by Mavunga. It will belong to the Hawks of Decatur Central. Decatur Central, Brownsburg doing battle. First broadcast of the year for us here on Audio Sports Online. Your home for Decatur Central Hawks athletics. 2-0 in favor of the Bulldogs. And we got a whistle, and a foul is going to be called on Brownsburg. First shot is up, and it is good. Second one on the way. Full court press by the Hawks. We're tied at 2. Daly making both of the free throws. And now that ball's going to sail out of bounds. It will belong to Brownsburg. Two to 2, 5:07 left to play in the first quarter. Decatur Central and the Bulldogs doing battle. Ball is out of bounds. Let's say last touch by Decatur Central. That might have hit the leg of Mavunga. However, the official says no. Inbound to Comer. Comer will fire a three. It's up. It's no good. Rebound to Mavunga. Power dribble. Up. No good. Loose ball tipped up out of bounds. Last touch by Brownsburg. So the ball is going to belong to Decatur Central. Ball around the horn. 3 ball on the way is up. It's good. And Decatur Central stakes claim to a 5-2 lead with 4 minutes and 30 seconds left to play in the first quarter of action. Ball back the other way. Mavunga in with the right hand for 2. That's now back the other way. 3 ball. Up. Good. And the Hawks are raining threes, as that was Haley Taylor with the 3 ball. Full court press by the Hawks, leading at 8-4. Bulldogs with the ball. They trail it by 4. And a kick is going to be called on Decatur Central. So Brownsburg will have it in the backcourt. That's 20. Bowles with it. Over to 50. Roper for the Bulldogs. And Roper, a 5'6" freshman, turns it over. So Decatur Central leading at 8-4, 3:42 left to play in the first quarter. Hawks with the ball, holding on to a 3-point lead. Kayla Williams in the ball game for the first time for your Hawks. There's a 3 ball up on the way. It is good. 3 ball reined in by Pace. I'm sorry. They will give her credit for 3. That's the third 3 of the ball game. And Decatur Central off the full court press. There's the steal. Lays it up and in for 2. That's Shelby Patterson And the Hawks are running away with it early as it's 13-4, 3:11 left to play in the first half. First quarter, I should say. The Bulldogs have the ball. They trail it by a score. Of 13-4. Full court press here by the Bulldogs. As again, they'll struggle to get the ball across the timeline. Finally, they do. As the freshman walks it up. Jump shot on the way up is no good. Rebound tracked down by Brownsburg. And the Bulldogs will restart the offense. As it'll come in the corner. And now knocked off the foot of the defender, Haley Taylor. So Haley Taylor in there playing some fine defense for your Hawks tonight. And Mavunga's first free throw is up. And she'll have one more. As the Bulldogs trail it by 9 points. Mavunga misses the second. Rebound, however, tracked down in the corner by Aaliyah Walker for the Brownsburg squad. Free ball up, no good. Tipped up. Loose ball pulled down by Mavunga. She's stripped, but they will call a foul. And Mavunga is going to have 2 free throws coming up. And she'll end up right back where she was the first time. And she makes the second. Decatur Central now with the ball. As that's number 12. Shelby Patterson dribbling. Takes it to the top of the key. Now flips it left side. Over to Daly. To Williams. Pass down inside. Little jump shot up, knocked out of bounds. That was number 14, Erica Pope for the Hawks. Getting that shot off. Unfortunately, wouldn't go down. And checking out of the ball game. Hawks working the ball around the perimeter. Comes into the hands of number 3, Williams. Back up top to Walker. 3 ball in the way. He is in and out. Rebound pulled down by Mavunga. And ball stolen back. Now coming back the other way. And now stolen back by the Bulldogs. And now stolen back by the Hawks. And laying it up and in for two is Shelby Patterson. So back and forth game early on. And a foul called underneath the basket. (15 to 8). Jumper up, no good. Loose ball tracked out of bounds. And it will belong to the Hawks with 38 seconds to play here in the first quarter of action. 15 to 8 is our score. And the Hawks are going to play for the final shot as they lead it by 7 points. Hawks holding. Ball comes around the horn. Right side over to Patterson. Patterson dribbling, takes it in the lane, dribbles between the legs, now flips it into the corner. Three ball knocked away out of bounds as the three ball was fired up by Brittany Daly out of bounds. 1.5 seconds left to play. And this will be the final shot of the first half. And the shot is up. It's good, but they will say it does not count. Time expired. Decatur Central advocating that that was a good shot. But the officials said no, and, well, the officials are always right. So here we go. Second quarter of action underway. 15 to 8. The Hawks leading the Bulldogs. Decatur Central and the Road Blues. They have the ball. And they trail it, or they lead it rather, by 7. Good first quarter of action for the Hawks. It's a pretty good Bulldog squad. That's number 4, Macy Walker with the ball. Top to Patterson. Top of the key. Over to Patterson. Now pass down inside. Oh, wide open was Brittany Daly, and Daly able to lay it up and in. for an easy 2. Full court press again by the Hawks as Bulldogs try to break it now. Hawks have done a nice job with that full court pressure early on. They do break the press. Bulldogs take it up, and the shot is no good. Mavunga with the rebound, and she'll put it up and in for 2 points. Quickly back the other way come the Hawks. Three ball on the way is up. It's no good. Loose ball tipped up. Comes to Decatur Central. Shot up and in for 2. As that was number 12, Patterson. 19-10 now the score. 6:35 play in the first quarter, a half of action. Going the coast to coast. That shot is up. It's no good. And the rebound pulled down by your Hawks. That's Macy Walker with the ball. Walker ahead. Now in the corner, 3 ball from Patterson. Up, no good. Rebound fought for, pulled down by the Hawks. Decatur Central running a fine defense thus far, and a 3 ball, or offense I should say thus far. And 3 ball fired up from Walker is no good, but she'll draw the foul. They will say it was a non-shooting foul, however, so a break for Brownsburg, as that easily could have been called a 3-shot foul. So the Hawks will have the ball. Ball knocked out of bounds. It will remain in possession of the Bulldogs. Like I said, that very easily could have been a 3-shot foul that would have put Walker at the free throw line. But a fortunate break there for the Bulldogs, as they said it was a non-shooting foul. 6 team fouls on the Hawks, 2 on the Bulldogs with 5:40 remaining to play in the first half. 19-10 is our score. Decatur Central with the lead over Brownsburg. Now there's a long 3. It's up. It's off the rim. No good. Rebound fought for, and a foul's going to be called on the Bulldogs. There's a great effort by Erica Pope to pull that ball down. Third team foul on Brownsburg. Long pass in. Hawks attacking the basket. And the ball's knocked out of bounds. They'll say off Decatur Central. Mavunga spin move, shot up, off the glass and in. Nice move there by Mavunga. Long 3 ball, up, no good. Rebound pulled down by Mavunga. And here come the Bulldogs. Brownsburg running back the other way. And the ball into Mavunga, it's no good. They're going to call an offensive foul. And that ball will belong to Decatur Central, as the offensive foul called on Brownsburg. That foul's on Mavunga, first on her. 4:40 to play, first half of action. 19-12 is our score. Ball out of bounds. Turnover on Brownsburg. It'll belong to Decatur Central. 4:14 left to play. First quarter of action. Again, if you are just tuning in tonight, 19-12 our score, 4:14 left to play, first half. Hawks with the ball and the lead as we eclipse the 4-minute mark. In the corner it comes. 3 ball on the way is up. Shot is up and in for 2. That was 34. Aaliyah Walker. And now a timeout going to be called by Decatur Central. They'll have the ball, leading by 5, 19-14 with 3:28 left to play in the first half of action when we continue our broadcast here on audiosportsonline.com. Shelby Patterson with it for your Hawks over to Macy Walker. Jumper up. And it's no good. So Brownsburg with the ball. And a chance to cut back in. Now there's a steal by the Hawks. It'll come back into the hands of the Bulldogs, though. Passing into Mavunga. Mavunga spins around, lays it up and in for 2. And a foul on the play. Hawks with the ball, leading it by 3. It was a comfortable lead early on, as many as 9 points. Now it's sank all the way back to 3. 2:15 left to play in the first half. 19-6 our score, or 19-16, I'm sorry, our score. Decatur Central with the lead and the ball. Shot is up. It's no good. And number 14, Erica Pope, will go to the foul line for your Hawks to shoot 2. First shot is up. It is no good. Shot is up and no good. Rebound Mavunga. And now a steal by Decatur Central. And they'll take it up. Shot blocked from behind by Mavunga. And nice recovery there that time by the Lady Bulldogs. Decatur Central still with the lead, though. Had a score of 19-16. Around the horn it comes. Spin move down inside. Shot partially blocked. And it'll head out of bounds. It's going to belong to the Bulldogs. Guys, going to bear with us here momentarily as we reset our internet here at Brownsburg High School. Got to refresh that every hour or so, and it's a hard time to do that. So as we attempt to man the camera and announce the game, we'll also reset our internet. So we thank you for being patient with us as we do that. Bulldogs with the ball. And now we're going to get a foul on the Hawks. That'll be the 7th team foul, which will put them in the 1-1. Vunga misses the free throw. .45 seconds to play. Jumper up, no good. Loose ball fought for. And a jump ball is going to be called. And the loose ball possession means that the Bulldogs will retain control of it. They got to go the length of the court. 34 seconds to play. Still 19-16. We've been stuck on that score for quite some time in this ball game. And there's the shot up and in for two for Mavunga. So we're now at a 19-18 ball game. As we near the end of the first half, Decatur Central will play for the final shot. Over it comes to Williams. Three ball is up and good. A nice three-pointer there by Shelby Patterson. So that'll end the first half. We'll take a little break, come back, and it's 18-22. The Hawks leading the Bulldogs here on AudioSportsOnline.com. Stick with us. We'll be back with the second half. All right, here we go. Back with our second half here on AudioSportsOnline.com. Rob Kendall here with you. 22-18, the Hawks leading the Bulldogs. As Decatur Central, the road blues, Bulldogs, home whites, purple letters and numbers. Decatur Central with white letters and numbers. Decatur Central's going to have the ball to begin the second half. They'll be moving now from right to left on your computer screen. And here come the Hawks as we begin the second half. Decatur Central moving from right to left, as we said. Passing the corner, stolen away by Mavunga. Mavunga pressing ahead, now ball stolen back by the Hawks. And laying it up and in for two is number 3, Kayla Williams. Ball tipped up. Shot is short. Loose ball tracked down, fought for. Jump ball going to be called. That'll stay in the hands of the Bulldogs. Jumper is up. It's short from Comer. Loose ball tipped up. Comer's got it out of bounds. Last touch by Decatur Central. And they will retain, the Bulldogs, I should say, will retain possession. 7:21 left to play in the third. It's an 24-18 ball game in favor of Decatur Central. Comer with it, holding the ball now, takes it to the right side, dribbles in the paint, jumper up, shot is no good, loose ball tipped up and out of bounds. It will belong to the Hawks. So Brownsburg unable to convert on their first possession of the second half. Hawks with the ball, leading it by 6. Now the Hornet comes over to Patterson. Patterson holding, goes back up to the top of the key. Now flips it in the corner to Williams. Williams, little floating jumper up, no good. Loose ball fought for. Brownsburg is going to come out of there with it. And the Bulldogs now will attempt to cut into the Decatur Central lead. Jumper is up and no good. Loose ball tipped up, still alive. Brownsburg ends up with it and put up and in by number 21, Hannah Mingus. Free ball, now ball passed around, shot up, no good. Loose ball tipped up, still live ball. Boy, nice effort there as Kayla Williams came crashing in, was unable to get the shot to go, but will draw the foul and will end up with 2 free throws. 24-20, Decatur Central leads, 6:04 to play in the third quarter. First shot is up, and it is good. (25-20) now the score. Shot is up, and it is good. Bulldogs with the ball now, back down by 6, 26-20. Mavunga, top of the key. Takes the center of the floor, going up with it, and a foul on the floor, no shot. It'll be Bulldog ball out of bounds. Vunga with it. Flips it off. Pass back down into Vunga. Loose ball. The lane shot up. It's short. And it'll be Decatur Central basketball. 26-20, and we're going to get a timeout called by the Bulldogs. 30-second timeout. Full court press, loose ball picked up. In the corner, jumper up, no good. Rebound pulled out of there by the Bulldogs and out of bounds. Decatur Central will have the ball out of bounds as they currently lead it by 6 points here early on in the third quarter. We're going to have a ball knocked out of bounds. Going to belong to the Hawks. Hawks with the ball. Nearly a turnover there. Decatur Central ends up back up with it. And 14 Pope puts the shot up. It's no good, but she will draw the... No, they're going to say a turnover. So turnover on the Hawks. Thought they were going to get a shooting foul there. Hawks trying to stretch it out here. They got the lead back to 6. It was 9 at one point. There's a foul on the Bulldogs as the Hawks trying to expand the lead. Currently 6 points with 3:56 left to play here in the third quarter. Three ball in the way. It's up. It's no good. Loose ball tipped up. Big rebound pulled out of there by number 34 for Brownsburg, Aaliyah Walker, and she is fouled. It'll be the third team foul on the Hawks. 3:35 left to play in the third. And it's a 26-20 ball game. And now back the other way. Shot is up. It's no good. Brownsburg comes out of there with it. Bulldogs quickly moving back the other way. Comer, a quick jumper. It's up. No good. Rebound, Mavunga. Her shot is blocked, but she's going to be fouled. And, despite a lot of action here in the third quarter, we're pretty much right where we started. It was 4 at the half. It's now 6, and Brownsburg with a chance to cut it back to 4. 3:04 remaining in the third. It's 26-20. First shot is up and no good. And we'll have one more coming on the way for the Bulldogs. Munga misses the second. She's really struggled from the foul line. That's at least 4 missed free throws I can remember here tonight. On the play, another foul, though, on the Hawks as the Bulldogs secure the rebound. And Mingus will throw it in. That's the 5th team foul already on Decatur Central. So the Bulldogs are going to be spending a lot of time at the foul line as the game rolls along. Back the other way come the Hawks. And there's a jumper up and good. Shelby Patterson nailing that shot. 28-20. And now back the other way. And there's a 3 for Brownsburg. Kaylee Comer nailing the 3. That'll cut the lead back to 5. Decatur Central with the ball, 5-point advantage. They, again, have led by as many as 9. It was just 8, and now we're back at 5. Pass on inside, shot up. It's blocked. Draw the foul. First shot is up. It's no good. And one more coming. Second free throw on the way. And that one is good. So Pope makes 1 of 2. The lead back to 6, which is where it was a few minutes ago. Minute 45 to play. And the shot is up. I believe they're going to count it. No, they will not count it, and they won't even call a foul, in fact. It'll just be Bulldog ball out of bounds. Shot up. It's no good. Loose ball tipped up. Still fought for. And it looks like we're going to get a jump ball as Williams was in there for the Hawks to tie it up. And now we're going to get a whistle and a foul on the Bulldogs. Williams with it, dribbles in the lane, little layup, missed a wide open shot, and that would have been a big one. Could have got the lead back up to 8. Sent the Bulldogs down to the ball, charging ahead, and a chance to cut into the advantage. Pass to the other side is blocked. Great block there by the Hawks. Brownsburg retains possession of the ball. Comer's going to try a long jumper. It's up and good. That's a 3, and that'll cut it to 29-26. And now nearly a jump ball called as the Bulldogs try to catch him with surprise. Up, good, count it, and the foul for the Hawks back the other way. And with 36.8 seconds to go in the third, it's 31-26. So action-packed third quarter of action, finding Decatur Central up by 5. And free throw's good. So the Bulldogs get that, or the Hawks rather get that 3 back from Comer, that Comer made. And now it's a 6-point game again. Shot up, count it, and the foul back the other way. As that was Aaliyah Walker for 2. Free throw is no good, so the lead is 4. Loose ball, picked up. Decatur Central fires a 3, no good. Rebound Williams, her shot's blocked. Loose ball comes down to the Bulldogs. And the ball will sail out of bounds at the end of the third quarter. So right back where we started the half, it's 32-28. Bulldogs trailing the Hawks by 4. We got 8 minutes to go in this very exciting girls basketball contest. On your home for the Decatur Central Hawks, AudioSportsOnline.com. Bulldogs have the ball. Begin the fourth and final period. They trail it by 4. And they'll put it in. Walker for 2, and this is the closest the game has been in quite some time. 32-30. Hawks tagging the hole. Shot up, no good. Fouled on the way to the basket. Shot is up. It's good. One more on the way. That's at the line. Number 12, Shelby Patterson. Shot is up. It's no good. And the rebound's going to come back to the Bulldogs. 3-point game now. One possession. 7:30 to play. Mavunga with it. Top of the key. Dribbles to the right side. Spin move. Fadeaway jumper. Up. Good. Mavunga for 2. And the lead is now 1 for the Hawks. Hawks have not trailed very early in the game. Oh, nice shot back the other way from number 33, Haley Pace. Timeout by Decatur Central, and they'll burn the timeout with 7:06 to play and a 3-point lead. One and one coming up for Roper. And Mavunga going up, draws the foul, and will shoot 2. First shot is up from Mavunga and good. Second one also good. And the ball knocked out of bounds. It's going to belong to the Bulldogs. So Brownsburg now with the chance to take their first lead in, well, really quite some time. Very early on in the game they led, I believe, and they have not had the advantage since then. They were down by as many as 9 at one point, 13-4. And now a turnover. No, the Bulldogs will track it down. And a timeout's going to be called by Brownsburg, as that was nearly an over and back violation. Brownsburg coaching staff wisely sensing that calls a timeout. And now back the other way. Mavunga's going to be fouled. And Hawks have the ball. We're tied at 35. Can't ask for a much better game to begin the year if you were a basketball fan than what we've had right here so far. There's a kick. Shot is up. It's no good. Loose ball tracked down in the corner by Walker. And now a foul called on the Bulldogs as Brownsburg was playing a very tight defense there, 5:10 to play. And it's a 35-35 score. Shot is up. It's short. Mavunga pulls it down. Shot up and in for two. (37-35) Brownsburg with the lead. Decatur Central trying to play from behind now. First time they've had to do that basically all evening. 23 Daly has it. Daly lost the handle on the ball. A kick is going to be called, though, and it will belong to the Bulldogs. I'm sorry, to the Hawks. I beg your pardon. Bulldogs are on defense, as those of you watching at home can clearly see. And now there's a bump on the way to the basket. So 4:19 left to play. We've got 10 fouls on the Hawks and now 9 on the Bulldogs. And so it'll be 2 free throws the rest of the way for both squads. And it'll be number 12, Shelby Patterson, at the foul line. She'll shoot 1 in the bonus. I'm sorry, I should have spoke correctly. That it'll be 2 shots the rest of the way after this set of free throws. That was 1-1. Shot is missed, but the ball does come back to the Hawks. So Decatur Central will have another crack at it, as the ball will come on the wing. Kicked in the corner. And a jumper is up from Pope. It's no good. And now a foul's going to be called on the Bulldogs. So another shot. Put a shot for the Hawks to try to tie the ball game up. 4:04 to play, 37-35. Haley Taylor at the foul line. Misses the first. 1 more on the way. Shot is up and no good. (41-35) now. Mavunga put that one in. Lead is 6, biggest lead of the ball game for the Bulldogs with 3:30 left to play. So plenty of time for the Hawks. Nice move to the basket that time. Shot is blocked, but a foul is called as Brittany Daly will go to the free throw line. And she got whacked pretty good and has a serious cut above her eye. Whatever happened there, that was not good. That was not pretty. And the medical staff quickly attending to her as both teams huddle on their respective sidelines. Daly went to the basket, and as she was attempting to make the shot, Mavunga came in, tried to block it, got her on the head, and you just hope she is sitting up. And the medical staff is attending to her, so she is sitting up, but boy, she took a pretty good shot on the head. I want to thank Athletic Director Greg Hill of Brownsburg High School for the setup here. I want to thank our good friend Kelly McWilliams of Decatur Central High School. Thank her for all of her support and helping us get these broadcasts on the air for you. And now Daly looks like she's going to get up, standing up on her feet now. She's going to be helped off to the sidelines. Appears to be a somewhat, we've got a towel over her head and being helped to the sideline. I think they're just trying to stop the bleeding there. Definitely saw not a serious amount of blood. Don't want to alarm anyone, but there was definitely some blood there, and I think they're just trying to stop that bleeding, and you hope it's just nothing serious. Again, they have her on the bench as the game's going to resume. Decatur Central will send a new player into the ball game. And it'll be 2 free throws coming up now. And then we've got another timeout. Again, I think they're going to wait until the player is done being attended to. So it will be number 3, Kayla Williams, coming in now. And she will shoot 2. She will be the substitute player for Daly. And always a tough spot to be put into, having to shoot free throws, cold off the bench. This is the first one. 41-35 is our score. We've got 3 minutes, 17 seconds on play in the fourth quarter. Shot is up, and it is good. Loose ball. Knocked out of bounds. Last touched by the Bulldogs. So nice defense by Decatur Central there to snag that one back. And looks like we're going to get a foul again. This time called on the Bulldogs. Aaliyah Walker will be the fouler, I guess you would call it. 2 free throws coming up now. Gets the second. Lead is 4. .230 left to go in the ball game. Bulldogs lead it by 4. It was all Hawks early on. Brownsburg staking claim to a big comeback late, but Decatur Central is holding tough, and they find themselves down 4 with 2:22 to play. Ball out of bounds. It'll belong to the Bulldogs, so Decatur Central can't convert that time. And with 2:14 to go, Brownsburg once again nursing that 4-point lead. It's been a really game that was kind of a tale of 2 halves. So at the foul line, it'll be number 21, Hannah Mingus. Mingus' first shot is up. It's no good. Shot is up. It's no good. Shot is up. It's no good. Loose ball picked up. Shelby Patterson with it. Dribbles at the top of the key. Hawks down by 4. Possession starting to get critical with 1:40 to play. And now a jump ball called as Walker fighting with 21 for the Bulldogs. Mingus, jump ball. It'll stay with the Hawks. Now 1:34 to go. And this could become a free throw shooting game if Decatur Central can't convert on the next possession or 2. Lob in deep. It's a loose ball. It's going to be tracked down by the Hawks. It'll sail out of bounds, and they'll say last touch by the Bulldogs. So a lot of confusion there on that one. Top of the key. Flips it over to the far side of the court. That's Walker. Now back up. Now there's a steal by Comer and a foul called on the Hawks as Comer was headed towards the basket. Comer nails the first. That'll extend the lead to 5. Took a shot up, no good. Mabunga grabs the rebound. Shot up and in. And now a reach in and a foul called on the Bulldogs. And these are 2 big free throws from Kayla Williams. Gets the second. Lead is 5. 44-39. And a DC timeout. 44-39. Bulldogs break the full court press by the Hawks. Now trapped in the corner. And we're going to get a foul called on Decatur Central. 44-39. Couple very big free throws coming up here for the Bulldogs. Margaret Oles, a chance to extend the lead to 6 points. Three ball up on the way. It's no good. Loose ball fought for, pulled down. We're going to have a jump ball. So it's a 7-point Bulldog lead with 35 seconds to go. Kaylee Comer will be the foul line, shooting 2. 46-39 the score. Shot is up, and it is no good. Now an 8-point lead, 20 seconds to go. Decatur Central needing a score here. Bulldogs playing very tight defense. Let's see if Decatur Central can fire a long three. It's no good. Rebound pulled out of there, and we'll get a foul with 8 seconds to play. And the Bulldogs look like they're going to pull this one out in a very hard-fought game by both teams. First shot is up and in. The lead is now 9. And one more coming up here as Olds will get the second one to go. And that'll just about do it for tonight's game. Great game played by both teams. And Bulldogs look like they're going to hang on in this one. Final shot of the game is up, and it will not go. So that'll do it for tonight's broadcast. 49-39, Decatur Central falls to the Bulldogs of Brownsburg. A great game played by both teams. One of the Kelly McWilliams at Decatur Central High School. Those of you watching tonight, Greg Hill from Brownsburg High School. And thank you that tuned in to view tonight's contest. One final time, our score, 49-39, Decatur Central falls to the Bulldogs of Brownsburg. Until next time, I'm Rob Kendall saying have yourself a great evening.